Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Software Protection Platform Service high CPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay, and then you can scroll down to the software protection service here. Okay, and then right click on it and start it or restart it. So, if it is causing high CPU usage, then you really start it. See, I would say even in that case, yes, because if you stop it, then your system will not be protected. Okay, so what can you do in this case? Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection tab, select Scan Options, Full Scan, run a complete full scan on your system if you have time for it, and then you can start working. And if you don't have time for it, like if you really don't have time and you are in an urgent work, then go to manage settings and turn off real-time protection, complete your work, then turn it back on, run the scan, and make sure that it is fixed for life. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.